Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you step-by-step instructions on how to cook different recipes I've learned throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy. Some healthy, some not so healthy. Today's recipe, if you haven't already seen the thumbnail, is going to be Tuscan chicken. And here are the ingredients we're going to need. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, some minced garlic, some Parmesan cheese, some baby spinach, some sun-dried tomatoes, some chicken stock or chicken broth, whichever you prefer, heavy whipping cream, some buttah, and yeah, that is pretty much it. Also, the seasoning you're going to want is going to be some Italian seasoning. We're going to cook chicken with some Italian seasoning. And also, I'm going to do a plug for Mid Life Crysis Spices, starting a new line based on the signs of the zodiac. This one in particular is Pisces. It's a good fish seasoning. So go to midlifecrisisspices.com, and I honestly don't know if these are online yet, but they will be soon. So check it out. Now, without further ado, let's get cooking. First of all, you're gonna want to deal with your spinach. I like to get bagged baby spinach because I just think it tastes the best. And one of the things I like to do with these, you don't have to do this, it's just something I do. I like to go through and just pull the stems off. It's time consuming, but I'm not a fan of the stems. That's pretty much all you're gonna be doing with these, because you're not gonna be cutting these up, you're gonna be tossing these in the pot whole. So do that or not, it's up to you. Now that I've finished with the spinach, time to go ahead and start cooking the chicken. Gonna go ahead and start heating up your pot and putting in some oil. Let that get nice and warm. Then we're gonna go ahead and take our chicken breasts, put them in there, then season them. Get them seasoned on one side, go ahead and flip them over. We're basically just going to go ahead and cook each side for 4 minutes and then remove the chicken to a separate pan. Then we're going to go ahead and start sauteing the garlic. It's been several minutes. Let's go ahead and flip them over. Look at that. Yummy. It's been several minutes, so let's go ahead and remove the chicken into a separate pan or separate bowl while we work on the other part. Now then, while still hot, let's go ahead and add the butter. Keep the stuff in there, add it to the flavor. The butter melt down a little bit. Got enough melting in there right now. Let's go ahead and add some minced garlic. Just saute this for a little bit. That's good for the sauteing. Now we are going to go ahead and put the chicken back in. Reduce the heat to a simmer for a bit. We're also going to go ahead and top off with some sun-dried tomatoes. Some of the heavy whipping cream. Some say you want to use about a half cup to a cup. I use a little bit more, because that's just me. Go ahead and add some of your chicken broth. Then we're going to go ahead and add some of the spinach. I'm not going to add it all at once because it's going to be too bulky and fluffy. As this stuff cooks down, we're going to add more. Then to top it all off, some Parmesan. Gonna try and get these leaves under liquid as much as possible to help them wither. So basically from this moment on, all we have left to do is just add more spinach as this goes down. As a matter of fact, you know, I can go ahead and add some more right now. And then just keep simmering until the chicken is fully cooked. Go ahead and put a lid on it and come back and check on it every 5 to 10 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. It's been roughly about 7 minutes, so don't forget to stir it. I add some more Parmesan. This has been cooking for a little while now, so let's go ahead and check on it. I'm going to want to see if it's actually fully cooked. The way you do that is essentially just take one of these chicken breasts and just cut it open. If you see any pink, it's not fully done yet, and that looks pretty good to me. Unfortunately, I'm colorblind, so I might be missing something, but that does look good. Let me check another piece. This one I cut into earlier. And check out this last piece, make sure they're all good. That's nice and fresh, and that looks done to me. So let's go ahead, let this cool off, and try it out. Now that it's cooled off a little bit, let's give it a taste. All the different ingredients coming together makes this so delicious. The chicken is extremely juicy, nice and tender. This is going to make a great family meal. As always, remember to like and subscribe, leave a comment. If there's something you want me to cook, let me know. Does anybody out there want to be a sponsor? I won't say no. But till then, see you next time.